Here's a little something for all those of you who believed in me. Yo, Julia, listen up, 'cause I got something important to say to ya. I had to holler at my best female, straight up baller, 'cause you know you be cool as ice, so out of sight. Girl, you pretty fly, white as the daylight. Never mind, best to get into the reason I rhyme. I just wanted to let you know how I'm doing at home with your fishbowl. A little Ron's doing just fine, been feeding him every other day right on time. You know, you can always trust me with your marine life. Weasley's really in good hands, believe me. There ain't no other man or woman better for the job to feed this orange blob, but to treat him with tender care and love. So to sum up what I'm trying to say, it may come as a surprise to you one day to see little Ron alive and at play. But I can promise you this one thing: I won't kill your fish before the end of spring break. Talking about, you know what I'm saying. Eminem ain't got nothing on me, I ain't playing. Yeah, you know I'm the bomb, mother sucker.